Yo man boys, Charlie, what's up man guys? Charlie, I dey study something or I study something wey I wan share with you guys. You dey understand? See, the more you stop caring, the more they chase you. I don't know who else study that thing, but Charlie, if you study that thing, try then comment, then you let Anon say, yeah, you know that thing or you see that thing. See, the more you stop the care, the more they start to chase you. The more they start to chase you. You see, how this thing all happened. See, now I get this girl, I was madly and badly in love with her. See, I would do anything just to make her happy. Yeah? It got to a time, Charlie. She started treating me badly. She started doing all kind of things. You know how they are. Charlie, my heart no dey fit. I try chase her, I try push her, I try do everything. She never give me attention. Yeah? Right now, me myself, I say, oh, I decide say I stop the chase women. Yeah, I go always focus on my goals. I go always focus on my ambitions. I go always chase money. I go always chase success. Forget women. Charlie, the right ones will come at the right time. We are close my mind on women. So right now, she know they see my test. She know they like. I truly cut her off. You dey understand? I know they call her again. Nothing about her they concern me again. Charlie, all of a sudden this girl started call. She started talk all kind of things. She started cry. Oh, say she was madly in love with me, but she doesn't know what happened. You see the way women dey. You see, that be why I dey always tell you guys, Charlie, stop the chase them. Always focus on your goals. Yeah, chase your money. Always put your mind on money. The more you focus on your goals, the more you chase money, the more you chase your dreams. Yeah, and you don't have time for them. You become scarce. You get it? You become scarce. When you become scarce, Charlie, everything will be scarce to you. That be what you dey chase. You dey understand? Make sure say if you get the girl, you give her good quality time. You dey understand? Your romance game has to be on point. Your knocking, back, has to be on point. You make sure you lock her mind. You dey understand? If you lock her mind finish, then you close your eye. Don't chase her again. You dey understand? That you forget her interested. That be the starting. After you get her interested, you do all kind of the wonderful things where she start to enjoy. Then you pause. You dey understand? Then you stop the chase her. Then you watch how she go chase you. You dey understand? We not know this thing from the onset. Where we chase girls, we cry over girls, where then do them at things plus S, then take us clean ground. Right now, Charlie, we stop the chase them. We dey always chase money. We dey always focus on ourselves. You dey understand? They start the chase. They chase gidi. You know, be today, no be tomorrow. They chase. You dey understand? Where one thing to Charlie, me right now I go tell you say, see, every guy for always date multiple girls. If you dey date one girl, where the girl know say if she alone you dey date, where your mind, your everything dey into her, she go always they do them at things plus you. You dey understand? Yes. But if she always knows a competition day, you dey understand? Day in, day out, competition day. Girls they chase you, girls they push for you. You go see say she's always on her toes. You dey understand? So at first, me, I don't believe in chasing 2, 3, 4 girls. But see, right now I will tell you the truth. Because I've been a good boy and I've been a bad boy. I've tested the two sides. And I know how ladies behave. You dey understand? Man guy, stop the chase them. Close your eye on them. Always chase your goals. Always chase your ambitions. Become whatever you want to become. And you see how they will start chasing you. Charlie, Bosilio be the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Girls Them Asleep, man. Guys, Charlie, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, like the video. And comment. Yeah, right now, dating content game. We dey learn. where we dey see how these ladies dey handle us. You dey understand? So we go play the game according to the way they want make we play am. See, right now you know the plan and draw. The girl wey me then you go get something doing. You dey understand? If you come to me or you come in there, I go make sure say I go do everything to get into your mind. I will give you wonderful time. You dey understand? I mean, if it comes to cooking, I'll cook for you. Charlie, when it comes to romance, I'll play the romance very well. Charlie, I will do everything. You get it? To get you hooked. When it comes to the nagging too, I will knock you well. Make you say, yeah, they knock you. You dey understand? I will do everything to get you hooked. You dey understand? After she gets hooked finish, after she fall, after her mind and everything enter, then you start to put your attention small. You start to put your attention small. See, women know they fit stand the high value guy with them, then they into the guy. Then the guy know they chase them. They know they fit stand that thing. You dey understand? That be when she will start to chase you. That be when she will start to push for you. Because Charlie, no one be dim, in body enter. So because in body enter way, Charlie, the love start to click. She never will agree say make you go. You dey understand? That be where you two you go leave her, make she do the work some. Now this be how we go play the game. You dey understand? Wey aside that one too, if I no be only that one girl, you dey understand? You for always get that same type of girl, like 2, 3, 4, 5. If one doing thing wey come out, you know say another one day. Always get backup. Always date multiple girls. See, at first I will tell you say this advice be wrong advice or be bad advice. But with experience, I dey tell you say it be the best advice to give you peace of mind if only you know how to play your game well.